Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce to you Mr. Ed Mira.
Right now, kita nga mga lisensyado na we're all licensed and we really know that being a licensed real estate agent or practitioner deserves a kind of pride and honor. Dili na kinahanglan, ayaw suluta akong kliyente ha. You don't have to tell me that anymore because by being a licensed real estate broker or a being real estate agent, I know what it meant to be a professional real estate practitioner. Amen?
For me, she is the Tina Turner of Cebu Realty. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Gloria Gonzalez. Palakpakan natin, mga igala. Energy, grabe.
M&A Family Real Development Incorporated, maybe all of us or most of us know already Mr. Basil Ding, right? Okay. They are the owner of the Cebu Parkland International Hotel. And they have also the, let's say, many businesses like hardware, etc., etc. And they venture here in the real estate. And the first or the pilot project of the M&A was the West City Homes, located in Banawa, wherein the Cebu or Cebu Realty Firms Incorporated helped me sort out the whole project of West City Homes. So I'm very much